PeerTube is a decentralized video hosting platform that allows users to upload videos without relying on a central server. It uses the Federated Webs of Content (WebSO) protocol, which enables users to host their own PeerTube instances and connect with others in a decentralized network. In this guide, we'll show you how to make money online using PeerTube in 8 steps. This guide is designed for beginners who want to monetize their content and earn income through PeerTube. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Sign up for PeerTube and create your account. Go to the PeerTube website and click the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 2. Choose a PeerTube instance. PeerTube is a decentralized platform, which means that there are multiple instances, servers, that you can choose from. You'll want to select an instance that's reliable and has a good reputation. Some popular PeerTube instances include peertube.com, peertube.org, and peertube.social. Step 3. Customize your PeerTube instance. Once you've selected an instance, you'll want to customize your PeerTube instance to make it your own. You can do this by going to the Settings tab and making changes to the appearance, privacy, and other settings. Step 4. Upload your videos. To upload your videos, go to the Upload tab and select the video you want to upload. You'll need to provide a title, description, and tags for your video. You can also add a thumbnail and choose whether your video is public or private. Step 5. Promote your videos. To promote your videos and attract viewers, you'll want to share them on social media, forums, and other platforms. You can also collaborate with other PeerTube users to cross-promote your content. Step 6. Monetize your videos. PeerTube doesn't have a built-in monetization system, but there are several ways you can earn money from your videos. Patreon. You can create a Patreon account and ask your viewers to support you financially. You can offer exclusive content, merchandise, or other perks to your patrons. Sponsorships. You can seek out sponsorships from brands and companies that are relevant to your niche. You can offer to promote their products or services in exchange for payment. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products and services through affiliate marketing. You'll earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique affiliate link. Step 7. Engage with your audience. To build a loyal following and earn repeat business, you'll want to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that's tailored to your viewers' needs and preferences. Step 8. Stay up to date with PeerTube developments. PeerTube is a rapidly evolving platform, and new features and updates are being added all the time. Stay up to date with the latest developments by following the PeerTube blog and social media accounts. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making money online with PeerTube. Remember to always prioritize creating high-quality content and providing value to your viewers. With persistence and hard work, you can build a successful PeerTube channel and earn a steady income from your videos.